Is about messaging people on Meetup. Now, Meetup allows us to message a few people every day. It's not going to allow us to message a lot of people, but a few people every day. We are going to message people who join our competitors group. So, if you do Python 101 NYC and you want to go on our competitors Meetup page, this one. And if you want to go on this page, you can see all the members. And rather than relevant, you're going to say date joined. And some of them joined this time. So for these guys, we are going to message that we provide one-on-one training. So this is the kind of message that I want to send them. If private one-on-one session in New York City, then you can reach me at. So I think they are going to allow us like 10 messages. I generally message people who have a picture and who are rich, like this guy's with a suit, so I think he'll have money. So things like that. So I'm not going to waste my 10 message with people who are not well dressed and people who are not old enough. So these guys with nice dress, I generally don't message girls because they are also not having enough money. Indian people also are not our main customer, so people who have nice dress and who are old enough so that we know that they have money. No, not this one. This guy looks good, so I'm going to message Richard Paul. Okay, if you're looking for, so it's like they have flagged our message as spam. So let's see. So I changed the message a little bit. Now we have to be creative on how we do that. So Richard Paul is done. Let's try this guy. It might bother us. You can reach me here. So I'm changing it. I think it goes to spam because of the idea that we are putting in those email. So let's see. Yeah, I'm changing the message a little bit here and there. I think these guys who are well dressed and who are older than 35, these guys can afford the course. Changing the message here and there. I'm not keeping the message same. I think I messaged this guy. I think it's going to allow me to do 10-20 messages, so I'm going to go ahead. No Chinese, only Americans who are well dressed and who are older than 35. Uh, and these people are like immigrants, so they also don't have the capacity to spend money. So mostly American who are over 35. This is Russian. Uh, so let's see. People who are old enough. But then it goes to 1 month back, so I don't want to really go 1 month back. So that's also a thing. So I'm taking based on dress and based on nationality and based on the age. Now it says that it's the same message. So I'm going to change a little bit here if it bothers me. This is Amsterdam. I don't know why I did even join this course. Jersey City. Okay. So this is how I would do it. This is Istanbul. I don't know why he really joined this course. This is New York. So I'll message this guy, and this is New York. So I'm going to message these two guys, and that would be the end of my. Now it's not bothering me for the same message again and again. It does not want me to repeat the same message. I think I already did that. So no. So I made it smaller. So this is how I did it. The chances of getting a reply from these guys is less, but we are focusing private one-on-one session, and this is how I do it. So check these things out.